Hi guys, welcome to Family Create. I hope you're all doing well. So today we're going to do another watch face video. This one is going to be TAG Heuer Watch Face. By the way guys, just to mention, this is not a paid promotion, nor are we promoting the developer. We're just sharing the watch faces that we really like and we think it looks amazing on the Watch 6 Classic. We hope you enjoy the video, so let's get started.
So TAG Heuer is one of the most popular watches, classical watches that you can buy. They're very expensive. Watch faces on Samsung watches as well, they look really nice, particularly with these watch faces that have big screens like the Watch 6 Classic here with the 47mm size. As you can see, because there's no bezel, the watch face is covering the entire face and it looks really good. And it really looks like a proper TAG Heuer watch. So in this video, I wanted to show this particular watch face app that I have here that looks nice, and there's quite a few. I think there's 8 different watch faces in this app, and I want to go through all of those and show you what options there are and how you can configure them. And as you can see, this one looks really good. I think because of the classic watch, just gives it even more of a classic appearance when you have this sort of watch faces. You can see the branding and everything. But let me quickly start off by showing what other options or how the setting screen looks like. So when you get into the app, you have in the beginning, there's as you can see the dots here. There's 8 different watch faces you've got. We'll go through each one of them, and then you can customize various elements of the watch like color, complications, and any styling. So starting off with this green one here, each of the watch faces are not individually named in this app, but they all come as part of the one app when you download it from the Play Store. So this one actually is very nice. It's got this really nice green, and it's got this black background with some sort of pattern going as well. Can you see? It's got some crisscross pattern that looks really nice, and then you have all these dials as well. So it's got 3 complications on these. Oh, actually 2. It's got this one here, the smaller one, and there's a bigger one. And it's got these green dials, and it's got this one here that seems like it's Cristiano Ronaldo branded, so CR7, which is quite interesting for anyone who's a big fan of him. Along the outer circle here, this green and white, you've just got some markings, and it looks really nice. It really suits the Watch 6 Classic very well. So let me see what we can do with this one for customizing. So if you move, swipe left and right, you can move between the choices. So color wise, you've got some colors here, but what does the color change? I don't know if you can even see. It's not changing much. It's only changing some tiny numbers here, and yeah, and then it sort of hides the date here sometimes, and then that date's back now. That's it really. You can't change much, so I leave it at the very first one. Complication wise, you can only add 1 complication. So if I add a complication here, let's just check. So if I add this one, so I've added the parameter complication, so you can add any other complications that are available in the watch. So that's the first one. Let's move on to the next face, but this one does look quite nice. This next one here let's go. Same thing again, just a different sort of color combination you've got here this time. Same complications, but actually there's this one here, I think it's indicating battery life as well. You've got a date here. Obviously the hands are orangish colored, and you've got this dark blue markings with dark blue sort of background with orange markings. Still quite a nice watch face, really nice. And in terms of changes to the design, yeah, it looks like the colors you can't really change much. You can only just change this one dial here that just changes some numbers. Let me see and then over here you can see the date, one of the watch, this one here. So the date's now highlighted. You can see the date is in black, so it stands out, whereas before you couldn't really read the date because it was in white. So that's that. And complication, same thing again, same place, one complication. So you can add, you can just change. So I just put this one, make the battery. By the way, the orange is a bit like a burnt orange or like brown. Looks quite nice though. Okay, let's try the next watch face. So like I said, this is all part of a single app watch face. This one is one of my favorite ones here. So you've got this really nice looking watch face. As you can see, it's got this dark blue, then there's a lighter blue shade here, and then you got orange. And you've got the 3 white dials here. This looks really nice. The numbers are all in white, markings are all in white, and it is really nice. And then you've got the second end, which is in red. It just looks really nice. It's definitely one of my favorite. I really like that. And then you've got the TAG Heuer logo. Customization wise, color, yeah, these a bit useless really, to be honest, the color options, because you can't really change much. I think on this one again, you can see something changing on that little dial here. Yeah, that's about it. Complications wise, again, same thing. I'm just going to change this. This complication doesn't look very good. Let's put, I don't know, heart rate. Okay, you don't have to have the complications anyway. Yeah, I would actually not have the complications selected, because it probably, this way it's placed, it doesn't really look very good. It spoils the look of the watch face, but you don't have to have it if you don't want to. So maybe I'm just going to take it off, at least hide it for this watch face. Normally you'd have the big main dials being the complications, but you can't change them. So I think it does look better without the complications. So this is, yeah, like I said, this is one of my top watch faces in this app. Next one, that's another nice one. This one, quite simple looking, but again, I mean, look at that. It just really, I think it's outstanding. So you've got the black background, you've got the 3 white dials, you've got the hands, you've got the red second hand again. You have this white ring going around just on the edge of the bezel, and it's covering the whole entire watch face, and it just looks really nice. I think it looks beautiful, and also goes quite well with the strap, the black and silver strap that I have here. You've got the date as well again. So we've done 3, 4 so far. The 5th one is here. I do like this one. Yeah, this one is definitely, along with the other one I said earlier was my favorite, this one probably is the second. Again, it's got this dark deep blue, it's slightly lighter around here, and then it sort of, as it spreads, the color gets dark, becomes darker. But it's really nice also because you've got some red markings, red text on the dials, and it does look nice. You've got the date there as well, and the second end now is in yellow, so it's got a nice contrast to the background, and then the other hands as well, hour and the minutes hand. But definitely really nice, beautiful watch face, this one. And the other thing here as well, this one inside of the dial the color is black, whereas on the other ones it was white, but it does really look nice. I mean, it still shows very well, as you can see here. So can you see the always on display? It's very dark, but basically the whole watch face is there, all the dials and everything. I can still see everything. The only thing that's gone missing is the second hand, which you can understand. The watch face is still in color. It's not black, but it just looks really dark now. But you can see the time at least, and you can see, if you go close enough, you can see all the other details. See? But it's nice. So yeah, you could have that as always on display quite comfortably. You still see the time. Okay, let's go and get the next one. This is the reason why I wanted to review this watch face, because all the watch faces actually I've covered so far as part of the TAG Heuer, they all look really nice. Even this one, though probably not my favorite one, but it does look really nice. And again, there's a difference here. This one's Man United branded, so Any Manchester United fans out there, this must be one for you. So we saw one for Ronaldo earlier, who obviously doesn't play for Man United anymore, but now this one is Manchester United. Anyway, slight difference on the dials as well here. Now you've got the white ring, and then you've got a grey or greenish sort of background. Nice, actually, it's a nice colour. And then you got this Manchester United logo taking up the whole big out of the dials. The date, I can't read it because it's in black. Maybe when we change the colour you can see it more. And the hands are quite nice actually. You've got the red and you've got thin white outlines. Really nice. And then the border here, the frame with the markings. Very nice. So what can we customize here? Yeah, same thing again. You can't change much else with the color other than this style and the date. Those are the only things that changes. So yeah, not much of an option to change the color or anything. So let's just leave this one. Complication wise, the same thing again. You can add one complication here. Let's see if we can show the AOD on this one. As you can see, this is the always on display mode. Same thing again, just really darken the screen. But all the information is still there. I can see everything there. So yeah, let's go to the next one. So this is the 7th one, and I think this is probably one of the best ones so far. So you've got this again. The 3 main dials are here. You've got this is Senna. So I wonder if it's Ayrton Senna. But really nice. I really like the way it's been branded. That yellow outline really stands out because of the dark background. It's not black, it's kind of dark grey, slightly faded, it's fading into sort of lighter grey at the center here, but it's really nice. The whole yellow sort of outline, and you got the dials. You can see the way the dials are. Looks beautiful. This is a really nice watch face, and it just looks really nice on the Watch 6 Classic because of the large screen. The display is so crystal clear and vibrant colors. Again, I don't think you can change much. Yeah, no, the yellow doesn't change. It does flash when you're sort of changing looking in the options, but it's still yellow, and always on display on this one. Again, they're all very similar. They just really darkens the watch face and nothing else. All the information is there, but it just really darkens, as you can see. Look, but this one is a really nice watch face. And I like the fact it's Ayrton Senna branded as well. And the complication is the same thing. You can change one complication. We've already looked at that before. Let's look at the final watch face. This one is a nice one as well, black. Yeah, this one looks really busy. It's just 2 colors, so you've got the black and you've got the white. Everything else is same as the one we just looked at, just the color change. But I think it looks really good. Try this on the Pixel Watch as well, and it looked really good on the Pixel Watch. As well as the analog time, you've got the digital time, so that's good. And is there anything we can change on this one? Again, just that dial here, you can see the colors changed. That's all you can change. I don't know if you can see. See that color? See that little change there? So that's all that can change. And same thing with one complication. Let's see how this one looks with AOD activated. Yeah, this one actually looks quite okay with the AOD on because it's already black and white, but just really darkened now. Depending on your brightness, I think you may see more. My brightness currently is set to nearly full. These are all the 8 watch faces that comes with this app, and the app can be downloaded from the Play Store, and it's I think it's a paid app, this one. I can't remember how much it was, but it's definitely a paid app. This one is the TAG Heuer Watch Face 18-1 watch face, and it's by a developer called Rhinosaur Design, and it's if you look on the watch, it's THF1, but search for TAG Heuer Watch Face on Google Play when you're searching. And hope you've enjoyed these watch face reviews. Again, we're not promoting the developer or anything. I just happen to like these watch faces. they look really nice on this watch. And anything I like, I think it's probably worth sharing, as I know watch faces are popular. We did one before with the Rolex one was really popular. So again, we'll do more. There are some really useful apps as well that we may do some reviews on. Again, not promoting any developer. Yeah, if there's anything else you'd like us to cover, if there's any particular watch face that you find you've seen, you think that look really good, can you try this out? Let us know. Or if there's any app in particular, we may be able to sort of try and do a video on it. Just let us know.
So that's all for today, guys. We hope you found the video helpful. If you have, please do give it a like and support us by subscribing. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, do take care. Bye bye.